We've now reached a memorable milestone in this project. We can now control the CNC mechanism autonomously. So if I want to demonstrate it, I'll just click this switch here and it should go into demo mode. There it goes. Right, all axes are moving. So we've got the Z axis is going up, the Y axis is going across, and the X axis is going to my right. There it goes. Hopefully it won't bash into the control panel. Okay, I can hear the limit switch clicking in. There's a limit switch on the X axis. Back it goes. And the Y axis is coming back towards me. This is just a demonstration, so it's not actually going to do anything useful. There it goes. So all three axes are working at the same time, simultaneously. It's all controlled by the TC275. Look, there's the rotary axis come on, so it's now ready to do an actual weeding routine. So all the motors are controlled by the TC275, and it's about, I don't know, about 300 lines of code. So it doesn't take up too much memory. You've got 2 megabytes of memory on the controller itself, so hopefully I'll be able to write in an algorithm there for making this rotating claw go through the soil in between the plants at certain distances in spacings of the rows and columns. One thing I will have to do is to put some kind of device on it to control the distance that the claw goes downwards. So when the claw goes into the soil, something has to detect that either the soil's at a certain level or that the claw itself is using a certain amount of energy from the power supply. Personally, I favour the energy monitoring solution. So as the amount of amps that the claw uses goes up, then the X-axis motor will pull the claw upwards slightly. So it's just a case of putting a simple current sensor on the power supply to the rotational axis driver there, which I think is in the middle. Not difficult, we've already done that on the drive motors on the actual driving of the machine, so it's already been done. It should be fairly simple to implement.